How to make a game pass in Roblox. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll be teaching you guys on making a game pass in Roblox. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open a web browser and go to roblox.com, which is the official website of Roblox. Then after, you have to log into your specific account. Now in this page, click on Create button. From here, go to Creations, that is just below the Home option. Choose the experience you want to create a game pass for. Let's choose TC. From the Monetization tab, you're supposed to click on the passes that is just below the Developer Products. Click on it. Now click on Create Pass button that is highlighted in blue color. And as soon as you click on it, a new interface will appear. From here, you're supposed to enter your name. Enter any name you like. If you want, you can also give it a description. Then click on Create Pass option. Click on it. And again, go to Cells. Switch it on and set a price. Remember that you keep 70% and click on Save Changes. That is also highlighted in blue color. As soon as it is updated, go back to the Experience page in order to see your Game Pass. And to get the link, click on the three dots and click on Copy URL or Copy Asset ID. The best option is to copy the URL. As soon as you click on it, open a new tab and just simply share it. Here you will be able to access your Game Pass. In this way, you can easily make a Game Pass in Roblox. So if you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.